Welcome back to Rome Tech. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're interested in learning more about online job platforms. Today we're diving into OnlineJobs.ph, a popular platform for finding Filipino virtual assistants and other remote workers. OnlineJobs.ph offers a vast pool of talent, allowing businesses to connect with skilled professionals across various fields, from customer service and administrative support to web development and digital marketing. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy to browse profiles, post job listings, and manage your hiring process. One of the key advantages of OnlineJobs.ph is its focus on pre-vetted candidates. They conduct background checks and English proficiency tests, ensuring that you're connecting with qualified individuals. This streamlined approach saves you time and effort in the initial screening stages. Furthermore, the platform provides tools and resources to help you manage your remote team effectively, including time tracking software and payment processing options. Another notable feature is the emphasis on direct communication. You can connect with potential hires directly through the platform's messaging system, allowing for clear and efficient communication. This direct interaction fosters a stronger working relationship and facilitates a smooth onboarding process. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, OnlineJobs.ph offers a valuable resource for finding talented remote workers. By simplifying the hiring process and providing essential tools, the platform empowers businesses to build and manage successful virtual teams. Exploring OnlineJobs.ph could be the key to unlocking a global talent pool and expanding your business's capabilities. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to OnlineJobs.ph today and discover the possibilities of remote hiring. Remember to check out the resources and FAQs available on the platform for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more insightful content on remote work and online business solutions.